Ready to supercharge your customer engagement by bridging the gap between email marketing and WhatsApp? Let's jump straight into connecting ConvertKit to Wati using Zapier first. Head over to Zapier.com and log in, or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, click on the Create Zap button to start building your automation. Now, we need to choose our trigger app, search for and select ConvertKit. This will tell Zapier what event in ConvertKit should kick off our automation. Select New Form Subscriber as your trigger event. This means whenever someone subscribes to a form in ConvertKit, it will trigger this zap. Click Continue. Connect your ConvertKit account to Zapier. You might be asked for your API key, which you can find in your ConvertKit account settings under Account Info. Copy and paste it there. Then click Continue. Next, choose the specific ConvertKit form you want to monitor for new subscribers from the drop-down menu. Click Continue. Zapier will now test your trigger to make sure everything is working correctly. Click Test Trigger and Zapier will pull in a sample subscriber. Now that our trigger is set up, we need to add an action. Click on the plus icon to add your action, which will be sending a message through Wati. Search for and select Wati as your action app. Choose Send Template Message as your action event. We'll be using a pre-approved WhatsApp template. To ensure compliance, click Continue. Connect your Wati account to Zapier. You'll likely need your Wati API key and endpoint URL, which you can find in your Wati account settings. Click Continue. Now, customize your template message. Map the subscriber's phone number from ConvertKit to the phone number field in Wati. Then, enter your template namespace, template name, and ensure the broadcast name field is filled with a unique and identifiable name. Click Continue. Zapier will now test your action to make sure everything is working correctly. Click Test Step and Zapier will send a WhatsApp template. Finally, give your Zap a descriptive name and turn it on. From now on, every new subscriber to your chosen ConvertKit form will automatically receive a personalized WhatsApp message through Wati, leveraging the power of ConvertKit. Wati and Zapier to streamline communication and enhance customer engagement for improved conversion rates. #WATI ConvertKit #Zapier integration.